Hello all. Here we'll need to create two more APIs for the backend server 2, just like we did for the backend server 1. So these two APIs will be, different from the one that we created in the last video, so that there'll be a distinction in the responses when we are hitting the APIs for the backend server 2. Let's take the public IP from the Nginx console of the backend server 2. Open MOBA Extra, create another session. Okay, upload the private key and the username is Ubuntu. Yeah. So we need to create one directory, my application. Okay, let's cd into my application, install Node.js, sudo apt install Node.js. It will take around some time. Now install npm module, sudo apt install npm. Wait for some time till it gets installed. So the npm module is now installed. Let's initialize npm to create a package.json file. Just leave these things as it is, and yes, if you can check when package.json is created, that's fine. Now using any of your favorite editor, just create one file, that's index.js. We need to write the code for the APIs. Let me write it. So I'll attach this code with the video. You need not to write the code, you just copy it, as it's not required to learn Nginx. Express will create the port. We can take the same port 3000 or any other, like whatever you want. You can change it. App.get, just define the endpoints. Let's take it like slash res.send. Let's give the response message. We'll say like getting response from its backend server, well, it's 2, and if you remember, it's endpoint 1. Okay, just close the braces. Oh, the spelling mistake. Let's create another endpoint. Let's take it as slash testing. And just do the same as we did for the last API. The message, let's say it like getting response from its backend server 2 and its endpoint 2. Let's do for the log part, port console.log, and just give the message for the log like app is running on port 3000. That's fine. Let's save the file. Do node index.js. There is is some issue. Yeah, I forget to place equal to sign. Open the file again. Yeah, I have not added equal to sign. That's must. Just save the file. And one more thing, I need to install the Express framework I'm using in the code, but I forget to install it. npm install express -- save. It will take hardly 10 seconds, so it's done. Now do node index.js. Now the app is listening on port 3000. Just to validate it, just take the public IP of this Backend-Server-2, and just like as we did for this Backend-Server-1 APIs, let's hit the API on port 3000 with the first URI, that is slash. We're getting the response, from Backend-Server-2 endpoint 1. Let's hit the second API, that's 3000/testing. So here we're getting the response from Backend-Server-2 endpoint 2. So here we have created the two APIs for this Backend-Server-2. Now we need to remember these URIs along with the IP and the port and everything for this, and for these these four APIs, so that our web page that we created can be used